We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, we were expected the price break 41. As we can see, there was a breakout, but we didn't see the continuation because we mentioned with the next level we're looking for is 52. Anyway, we try to adjust this one. We put the desktop somewhere around 44.6. All right. Now we want to see whether the price can break this level or not. Anyway, the only thing is we want to see how long we will be in this correction and how deep this correction can be. All right, whether we can look for continuation or the price can consolidate here for a longer time. And mostly we are more interested to look for buy, but we need to be quite careful because even if we move to forward chart, again, we will need to see the breakout of 44.5 or 44.6. And I want to see how we can look at this one. All right, first things, the way we can look at this one as a flat, as a 1 2 3, this is what we get. That's mean if we get any continuation from here, we will take it. But how deep this one can go, simply that we can expect even the price will retest the previous low. Because if you look at this wave, simply we can expect this one turn to a running flat for one more drop. For sure, if we get one more drop, then from there we can confirm whether the price can break the previous low or not, because from there we can make a decision what type of the flat we can look for. All right, we need to be aware about this possibility that internally it can turn to a running flat, but it doesn't matter. Any trade set up within this range, either the price continue from here or even we get one more drop reversal, we will take it. All right, we are not really interested to look for sell at this point. And if I move to 1 hour chart, it will be more clear. All right, because based on 1 hour chart right now, we're looking at this, and in this case, this is the first, this is the second. Since the price broke the previous stop, then this is the third we consider. And right now, we want to see if we want to look for trade, we need to see the correction of flag. Then we take the trade. This is the only way we can look for trade. If the price continue from here, for me personally, I just let it go. All right, because we need to show if this one turned to a flat for one more drop or not. All right, that's why if we wants to look for buy, any flag or correction from here, we will take it and we start to manage it, similar to what we get here. All right, but if we see that we get the trade, there was no continuation, we need to be quite careful about this, turn to flat for one more drop before we get the reversal. And at this time, we cannot refer to the indicator. The only thing is how we can look at this correction. And right now we get the 3 waves. How deep this one can go, we cannot confirm. And if there is a continuation, we need to see the flag or correction. Rather than that, we are not going to simply buy, because if we move to the weekly chart, almost the price 44.6 is all-time high. All right, and even we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. That's why if he wants to look for trade, we need to be quite careful. Anyway, any flag from here, similar to what we get here, we will take it. And if we see it's not moving, we take out the trade, because in the bigger picture, made this one turn to flat for one more drop. In this case, we just follow the chart. At this times, we don't see any trade setup. And for me, the best things, if this one give me one more drop, then I will confirm with this one. Then we take the trade. All right. And it doesn't mean, again, I need to highlight, it doesn't mean we cannot get the trade within this range, but we need to get the trade set up similar to what we get here at least. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.